Hello aspirants, welcome to another video. This is part 16 and this video will be totally focused on Indian rivers. We all know that NPSC usually asks questions from Indian river system and they are also very much mapping based and basic facts about the rivers. So keeping that in mind, we have made this 20 MCQ series so that people can also revise through these MCQs. Now, without any further delay, let's start. Our first question is, which of the following rivers forms the largest inland drainage basin in India? Ghaggar, Luni, Ran of Kutch river system, Chambal river system. Technically, Luni is not very big river. It is found in Rajasthan, but it doesn't have any discharge. So, any connective river is not present in this Luni. Ran of Kutch or river system, this doesn't have very much high river system, drainage system pattern because few of rivers like Sabarmati and Mahi, they travel very close border of Ran of Kutch. So we cannot consider that. And last is Chambal. Chambal is found basically in border of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, which is joining Yamuna river from its south, so it doesn't also have too much big drainage system itself. So final answer is Ghaggar. Ghaggar has the inland drainage basin. Okay, so Ghaggar is the right answer. Next question: the river that originates from the Byas Kund near Rohtang Pass is Ravi, Byas, Satluj, or Chenab. This particular question is belong to Himachal Pradesh state. Rohtang Pass is available just few hours drive from Manali, that is 2 hours, 3 hours drive. And Rohtang Pass is the place from where Byas river comes out. This river goes towards Punjab and till Punjab. In Punjab, it joins Satluj, and that's it. That is the end of this river. So this is purely in India. So options Ravi, Byas, Satluj, Chenab. Ravi, definitely it comes from nearby Rohtang Pass, but not exactly Rohtang Pass. Satluj, it comes out of India, that is Lake Raka, and Chenab. Chenab also comes from Dhauladhar range, Himachal, but does not come into Punjab. That directly goes to the Jammu Kashmir. So original right answer is Byas. So Byas is correct answer. Okay. Third question. Which of the following rivers is known as Dakshin Ganga? In last video also I have mentioned there is one river who flows exactly like the northern part of Ganga, that we already know that Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri and Narmada. Dakshin means south, so we are talking about a river who looks like Ganga in south. So they are all southern rivers except Narmada. So Narmada is eliminated. Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. Godavari is the longest river in South India, that is in Peninsular India. So and also looks like Ganga flowing in that region. So Godavari is the right answer. Okay. So third answer is Godavari. Fourth. Question number 4. The Tista river is a tributary of Brahmaputra, Ganga, Meghna and Subansiri. Now, Brahmaputra river, which is coming from China, enters in India, that is Arunachal, going from Assam towards Bangladesh. Tista river comes down from Sikkim. It comes from the Kanchenjunga region and Lanchon region of Sikkim, Upper Sikkim, flows straight down from Sikkim towards Tiger Hills of nearby Darjeeling and straight enters in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, before Brahmaputra, as Jamuna in Bangladesh, Brahmaputra joins Padma. Okay, before that confluence of Ganga and Brahmaputra, Tista river joins Brahmaputra in Bangladesh. So remember, Tista is that river. So the right answer should be Brahmaputra. But remember, in Bangladesh, Brahmaputra is not named as Brahmaputra. In Bangladesh, Brahmaputra is named as Jamuna. Okay. So Tista river joined technically Jamuna. Technically that is Brahmaputra. So the right answer should be Brahmaputra. Okay. Remember, in Bangladesh it is Jamuna. Jamuna. Next. Which river is associated with the Hirakund Dam, one of the longest dams in the world? Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada. Everybody knows about it because so many times this question repeated. So the right answer should be Mahanadi. All right. Next question. The Chambal river is tributary of Narmada, Yamuna, Betwa, Son. I have already mentioned in my previous question explanation. Chambal River is joining Yamuna River from its south. Okay, Chambal River flows through the border of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan and straightforward enters in this northeast direction, and where it joins in UP with Yamuna. All right, so Yamuna is the right answer about Chambal. Clear? That is Yamuna. Next question. Which is the only major river system in India that forms an estuary instead of delta? Krishna, Godavari, Narmada, Mahanadi. Remember, additional information regarding this question is, when we talk about delta, most of the delta in India are found in eastern coastal margins. Almost all these rivers except Narmada forms the delta. All right, Krishna forms delta, Godavari rivers form delta, except Narmada, because Narmada is not flowing towards Bay of Bengal, it flows towards the Gulf of Cambay. So it discharges directly at the corner, southern corner of Gujarat. Okay, and last option is Mahanadi. So the right answer should be Narmada river, because it doesn't form any kind of delta. All right, next question. The river whose water is shared under the Indus Water Treaty but lies entirely in India. Okay, that is in India is Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum, and Chenab. So the right answer should be here. The more close right answer should be is Ravi. Actually, this is one of the most a river which is mostly found in Indian region apart from rather than Pakistan. So the right answer is Ravi. All right. If there could be an option of Beas, then Beas should be the right answer. Okay. But since in this question we have given Satluj, Ravi, Jhelum, and Chenab, so we have to compare the overall length of these rivers within Indian territory and Pakistan. So according to that, Ravi is flowing in India most and very less in Pakistan. Next question is, the Kaveri river originates from Mahabaleshwar, Brahmagiri Hills, Amarkantak, Triambakeshwar. So the right answer should be Brahmagiri Hills. Okay, that is particularly from Karnataka belt and comes down towards Tamil Nadu and joins Bay of Bengal. All right, Brahmagiri in Western Ghats, Karnataka. Which river flows through a rift valley in India? Remember, in India there is one rift valley called Vindhyachal Range Rift and Satpura Range. There is a central mountain range in Madhya Pradesh, Vindhya and Satpura, and between Vindhya and Satpura there is a river flow called Narmada, who is moving from Amarkantak towards Arabian Sea, that is Gulf of Cambay. So Gandak, Narmada, Ghagra, Chambal, except Narmada, all are wrong. Narmada is the correct option to this question. Okay, next, which of the following is not a tributary of the Ganga? Okay, now Gandak, Ghagra, Indravati, Kosi. Remember, Indravati is not the tributary of Ganga. Indravati is a tributary of Godavari. All right, which comes down from Odisha and joins Godavari in southern part. All right, so right answer is Indravati. It is not joining Ganga at all. The Polavaram project is built on which river? Krishna, Godavari, Tungabhadra, and Pennar. So in Godavari, Polavaram project, that is dam, form or built over Godavari river. Next, now the river forming the boundary between India and Bangladesh before entering Bangladesh. Okay, Tista, Feni, Kushiara, and Ganga. So the right answer should be Feni. Kushiara is in Karimganj and Bangladesh, obviously. Tista coming from Sikkim towards Bangladesh. Ganga again coming from India and entering in Bangladesh as Padma. But they are not exactly at the border. They are transboundary rivers. So Feni is the right answer. Next question. The source of river Yamuna is, everyone knows, Yamunotri Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, Pindari Glacier, Khatling Glacier. Okay, so as the name suggests, Yamunotri Glacier. Gangotri is for Ganga. Okay, next question. Which one of the following river has the largest delta in India? Godavari, Krishna, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi. So obviously we all know Ganga and Brahmaputra, who are known as Padma in Bangladesh and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Ganga as Padma and Brahmaputra as Jamuna in Bangladesh. Both confluence together nearby Dhaka, of capital of Bangladesh, and forms Meghna River. Now these rivers together forms largest delta in the world. In fact, not only in southern belt of Asia. So this delta is known as Sundarban Delta. We all know it. Okay. And now, so the right answer should be Ganga Brahmaputra. They are making the largest delta in the world, including in India. All right. Ganga Brahmaputra. Next question. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? As I mentioned before also, this Sorrow of Bihar, Sorrow of West Bengal, Sorrow of Assam, this kind of title are given to the rivers who causes most of the flood disaster in their state, causing lot of people's displacement from one place to another and property damage. Kosi River, who is flowing in Bihar, joining Ganga from north, is coming from Nepal as Sapt Kosi. So this river is known as Sorrow of Bihar. All right. Remember, Damodar is also a sorrow of some state, one state. That is up to you. You give that answer. I have mentioned the question's answer is Kosi. Now I am giving you one task that please tell me sorrow of West Bengal. Okay. कौन सा है? Next question. Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meet at Devprayag, Rudraprayag, Karnaprayag, Vishnu Prayag. We have in total 5 prayags available in Uttarakhand. Every rivers who are joining Alaknanda forms one kind of prayag. Similarly, the Bhagirathi river, which is also known as Ganga, coming down from Gangotri glacier, is also joining Alaknanda. Now, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meeting point is known as what Prayag? That is a question. So the right answer is Dev Prayag. At Dev Prayag, Ganga and Bhagirathi and Alaknanda joins together and fully takes the form of Ganga river. Okay. So Dev Prayag is the right answer. Okay. Next question. The Tapi river does not flow through which of the following state? Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Remember, Tapi is the river who is also known as twin of Narmada. It is exactly flowing in the same length and direction as Narmada flows in the center of Vindhya and Satpura. If you can open your atlas in 9th page of your atlas, you can see these rivers very easily. All right. Now, this Tapi river is also coming or flowing down from the bottom of Satpura and flow towards the Bay of Arabian Sea, that is Gulf of Cambay, same as Narmada flows. So we also call Tapi as a twin of Narmada. So this Tapi river actually flows through Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Okay, it covers all these 3 states except Rajasthan, because Rajasthan is a northern part. So Rajasthan is not the place where Tapi flows. So the right answer is Rajasthan. Okay, next question number 19. Which of the following rivers flows from India into Myanmar? Barak, Lohit, Manipur River, Kaladan. We already know that in 2019 Kaladan project was over, completed by BJP government, started by a Congress government in 2010. We know that one river, that is Kaladan project, which is based on the river coming down from Mizoram towards Myanmar and joins Bay of Bengal. Right. India has made multi-transitional mode of transportation. We developed from Haldia port of Kolkata, sea route till Sitwe port of Myanmar. From Kaladan river, we developed navigable waters of Kaladan river up to certain limit of Myanmar, and from that we developed highway till connecting Mizoram Aizawl. All right, alternate route to connect northeast, you can say. So Kaladan is the right answer because it is someone which is rising from Mizoram and goes to Myanmar. Okay, so the right answer is Kaladan. Last question of our today's series is, which is the correct north-south order of major peninsular rivers at their origin? All right. Now we have to mention that north-south order, from north towards the south, correct order में लेके जाना है. A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Kaveri, and D. Mahanadi. So now we have to go as per the order from north to south. So the right answer should be 4, 1, and 2 and 3. Right. So A is the right answer, that we can say 4123 is the right answer. So that is 4123. All right. How we do that? That Mahanadi is in topmost region, that is in eastern part, coming down from Chhattisgarh region. Second, your Godavari. After that, Krishna, and after last is Kaveri. So 4123 is the right answer. Hopefully, these questions from dedicated geography, Indian geography rivers will help you out. Please practice these questions. We will coming up with more dedicated topic related Indian geography MCQs based revision, so that it will help you in last minute preparation. All right. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.